ball. It has been pretty cloudy this morning, rain for many of us, but in the last couple of hours we've been watching some holes develop, some sunny spells, warm sunshine coming through in some central and southeastern parts of England. But for many it is going to be a fairly cloudy afternoon, outbreaks of rain drifting towards the northeast, but there should be a little bit of brightness coming through in places too, particularly in those southeastern parts. And the good news about the cloud and the rain is the pollen index is lower than it has been of late. Having said that, it is still high across parts of southern England and East Anglia. Now, our best temperature will be in the sunshine in the southeast, a temperature here of 21 degrees Celsius. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, about 14 to 16. And there's just a chance we could catch a shower at Royal Ascot this afternoon. And then tomorrow's looking quite cloudy. And again, there's a risk of just a little bit of rain. Now, the wet weather this evening and tonight is going to slip away towards the northeast, moving in towards Shetland, and then there'll be some showers following in towards the west. As for southern areas, well, it looks like it's going to be quite cloudy here. There's even a risk of a little bit of rain towards the south coast, and temperatures tonight will drop no lower than 10 to 13 degrees. So, for tomorrow's forecast, well, it's looking quite showery for many of us. Plenty of showers for the northwest, these merging into longer spells of wet weather across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. Now, down towards the south, it looks like there's going to be a bit more in the way of cloud. In fact, there's even a risk of a little bit of rain down towards the south coast. But here it should be a generally dry day on Sunday. Plenty of sunshine, just a chance of one or two showers and a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Elsewhere, we're looking at a day of sunny spells and scattered showers. So let's leave the cloud of the United Kingdom and head south. We've got plenty of blue sky across many parts of Italy and Greece, and it's going to stay that way throughout the weekend too. And it's hot. Look at this in Rome, temperatures up to 36 degrees Celsius. It also looks like it's going to be dry and fine for the European Grand Prix, a temperature here of about 24 degrees. And staying on the sporting theme, of course, it's the first day of Wimbledon on Monday, and it's looking like a good start. It should be fine and warm with spells of sunshine. In fact, Wimbledon's going to do quite well because it's not going to be that way everywhere on Monday. It looks like we are going to see some cloud and rain moving in from the west. But once that clears away, we're going to start to see high pressure building in from the west. That looks like it could be good news for the second half of next week. But for Monday, well, for many central and northern areas, it's going to be cloudy with outbreaks of rain. A lot of fine weather, though, towards